Hi everyone. Last week I got the message from my subscriber. He asked me about how to level kitchen area if island was so heavy and floor settled down a lot. And he is worried about when he make leveling, put self-leveling compound, it will be more heavy and floor can fall down. He got estimate from some contractors. They offer to him change stats, subfloor. Uh, it will be so costly for him. So I have very cheap way what I offer to him. So make part of leveling with plywood because plywood compare with self-leveling compound very light, and then connect plywood with self-leveling compound like you see on this picture. So I have three cases, maybe more on my previous installation. So this is the first one. So this island very heavy and floor here is settled down. So what I did, I just extend with 3/8 because floor and plywood I can't install so high. Fridge can't we can put in fridges if I build up higher. So here is I have 1.5 inch from the fridge. So I put 3/8, and when we install floor we will have around ½ inch space. So here I install plywood and then smoothly put self-leveling compound and then grind it. So this is the high spot, there is a high spot, here is a high spot, and there's a high spot in this area. So to make flush hardwood floor with tile to the powder room, I built another 3/8, and then I will put another 1/8. No, I put 1/16 to make flush the floor with tiles. And then with straight edge I make flat this area. You see, this is the plywood, here is 3/8, the deepest spot 3/8 self-leveling compound, there is a plywood, there is some self-leveling compound, and also you see there is under the kitchen there is a highest spot. So from 0 to 3/8 I built up. Usually you need to build more, but I want to tell you one more time. So in the fridge area we don't have enough space. That's why we're not doing leveling here, we're doing just flat. Now with laser I will show you what I got when finished. So you see this is everywhere fine, but what this green spot, it shows the floor going up. I can't do anything because fridge, if we don't have cabinets for in the kitchen area, you know, on that side, or we have more room for fridge, for sure in this area I will be built up with plywood more and make perfect level. Now when I start floor installation it's not visible big difference between, you know, highest and lowest spot, because there is just like maybe quarter or 3/8, and so floor looks really good. So here is in second case when entrance to the master bedroom was higher than master bedroom. So what I did, I just built up with plywood again. I put, there is the high spot, you see what I showed. This is the, how much I have to it. So I put 3/4 plywood and glue it and screw it to the subfloor. And then I just did leveling with self-leveling compound. Did it twice. First of all, you never make a nice level because it will be uneven, so need to do it one time and then second time. I was so happy because the tile guys built in the bathroom tile so high, so when I put plywood and I can install floor flush with tiles, what the customer wants, and also I make flush tile around the stone fireplace. You see, this is the first coat what I am doing with straight edge. Just fill up a low spot. This is the second time. So what's the benefits from when you're doing combined leveling, like using plywood and then self-leveling compound? First of all, it's very light leveling because one sheet with plywood, for example, 3/4 inch, it's 4 bags of self-leveling compound. When I put one sheet of 3/4 inch 4x8 plywood, it's 4 times lighter than if I use self-leveling compound. For example, in this house, when I did it, I make less approximately 700 pounds when install this plywood. Here is a third case. So here is a living room in the house. So big difference between entrance and other side of the living room. And what I did, what kind of decision we get. So first of all, you see 2.5 inch difference. So it's just slightly sloping down. So first of all, I just add baker board. You see this baker board very light. It's lighter than one bag. Using for bathroom, for tiles. It's waterproof. So I screw this baker board to the subfloor, and here on the front of the fireplace there was concrete. I just put mortar and glue it. You see this is result. Some parts is glued with mortar, in other you see I screw with special washers and screws. Then I put another layers, and between all layers I put mortar ramp with mortar. It's helped me to do leveling. Then I put over the plywood planning patch for better bonding self-leveling compound and did first coat with straight edge, cover all gaps, and when it's dry I put foam around the walls, put primer, and then with laser install tripods and made perfect level. So this is the key. So what kind of benefits we got from this leveling? We minimize weight of the material which I put over the subfloor. So approximately more than 1,000 pounds. So now you know how to combine different material for leveling, how to minimize weight to the subfloor. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I will answer you. See you next video.